Hello students, welcome to Maths class. Dear children, today I am going to explain you about chapter number 9, how many times, page number 122 to 125. So open your maths textbook, page number 122, and let's start. Chapter 9, how many times? Leggy animals. The animals which are having legs. Which animal is this? Yes, children, you're correct. This is a goat. These are goats. There are 5 goats. How many legs altogether? Altogether means we have to count all 5 goats' legs. Okay? Each goat is having 4 legs. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how many goats are there? 5 goats are there. So we will write 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 20. Or we can also write 5 times 4 is 20. Why? 5 goats are there. So 5 times 4, 4 legs are there. So 5 times 4 is 20. Or 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. This symbol of cross is called multiply. Okay, multiplication symbol. So we read it as multiply. 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. Now next question. How many spiders? As you can see here, 1, 2 and 3 spiders are there. So what we will write here? 3 spiders. How many spiders? 3. Now one spider has dashed legs. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many legs are there? 8 legs. One spider has how many legs? 8 legs. Okay? In all, spider legs are 3 times. 3 spiders are there. So in all, if one is having 8, so we have to count 3 times. Okay? So the spider legs are 3 times 8, or 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 24. As you know, 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 24, or 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 24. 3 8s are 24. Dear students, for this chapter, you have to learn tables up to 15. Okay? And afterwards, you have to learn till 20. Okay? Now, do you know this leggy fellow? Children, look at the picture. Which animal is this? Yes, you are correct. This is an octopus. And it is a aquatic animal, isn't it? It is an aquatic animal which lives in water, in a sea, in an ocean. This is an octopus. It lives in the sea. It also has 8 legs. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 legs are there. So, how many legs altogether do 5 octopuses have? One is having 8 legs. So, we have to count for 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 octopuses have how many legs? So, let's count. One is having 5. No, one is having 8. So, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. How many times have we written 8? We have written 5 times because one is having 8, the other one is also having 8. So on, 5 octopus is having 5 times 8, isn't it? So is equal to 40. Or what we can write? 5 times. What we have written 5 times? Number 8 we have written 5 times. So 5 times 8 is equal to 40. Or what we can do? As we learned that multiplication is repeated addition. When we are adding the same number again and again. Here we are adding 8 number again and again 5 times. So it is multiplication. So 5 times 8 means 5 multiplied by 8 is equal to 40. Okay? Here what they are saying? Give me your hand. Hand, hand. Everybody is holding each other's hand and they are having fun. Now, page. Find the number without counting. How many flowers in a flower bed? It has 4 columns. Each column has 6 flowers. So, altogether the flower bed has 4 times 6 flowers. Children, just see, these flowers are arranged in standing line. Can you see? These are in standing line. So, these are called columns. Okay? So, in each column, how many flowers are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay? So, in each column, 6 flowers are there. And how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? 4 columns are there and in each column 6 flowers are there. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 24. We are adding 6 number repeatedly, so we can write it as in multiplication. What? We are writing it 4 times. So 4 times 6 is equal to 24. 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24. Okay? Now let's try another way. Now we have seen in vertical line, the standing line is called vertical line also. Now let us see in horizontal line, or we can say sleeping line. Whenever we count it in sleeping line, the sleeping lines are called as row. Okay. Let us try another way. The flower bed has 6 rows. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 rows are there. Okay. Each row has 4 flowers. Let's count 1, 2, 3 and 4 flowers. So, how many rows are there? 6 rows are there. So, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 24. How many times we are writing 4? 6 times. The same number we are writing. Addition. Okay. So repeated addition is multiplication. So 6 times 4 is equal to 24. 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24. Now the same way which we have learned, now let's apply it here. In the same way, how many bottles are these? So let us see first of all. See, how many bottles are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is called row. Okay. So 4 times, how many bottles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 4 times 5 is equal to how many bottles? 4 5s are 20. Okay. Now let us see columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 columns are there. Earlier we have seen rows. Okay. Now we are seeing columns. So what we can write? We can also write 5 times 4 is equal to 20 bottles. Okay. Now the same way, how many eggs? Now first of all see here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 columns are there. And these are the rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So what we can write? 5 times 6 is equal to how many eggs? 30 eggs. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 rows are there. So 5 times 6 is equal to 30 eggs. Now other way. These are the columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are the column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 6 columns but the rows are 5. So 6 times 5 is equal to 30 eggs. Now next, rewrite using the plus sign. 2 multiplied by 5 is 2 times 5 or 5 plus 5. 4 multiplied by 18 is 4 times what? 4 times we are going to write 18. Or what we can write? We can add 18 4 times. So 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18 we can write. Okay. Now 3 multiplied by 20 is dash times dash, means 3 times 20, or we can add 20 for 3 times. So we will write 20 plus 20 plus 20. Okay. Now here 8 multiplied by 9 is 8 times 9. 8 times 9, or we can add 9 for how many times? 8 times. Let us add 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 and plus 9. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Now next is tell how many times? 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 times 9 is equal to 54. The other one is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. So 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Now here 1, 2 and 3. How many times? 3 times. So 3 times 8 is equal to 24. Now here 3, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 times which number is there? We are adding 3. So 5 times 3 means 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. The same way 30 plus 30 plus 30. How many times? 3 times. So let us write first of all 3 times, and which number we are adding? 30. So let us write 30. 30 threes are, we don't know 30 threes are, but we know the 3 threes are. 3 threes are 9, and we will put 0 after 9. So the answer will be 90. Now 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 times. So let us write 6 times 7 is equal to 42. Now 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So let us write 4 times 12 is equal to 12 fours are 48. Now 6 plus 6 plus 6. How many times? 3 times. So let us write 3 times 6 is equal to 3 6 are 18. Now 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 4 times 10s. 4 times 10s is equal to 40. Now 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many times? 5 times. So let us write 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Now 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. How many times? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So let us write 7 times 6 is equal to 42. Next page. Ramu bought 4 packets of biscuits. Each packet has 4 biscuits. How many biscuits did Ramu buy? He bought 4 packets. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And each packet is having 1, 2, 3 and 4 biscuits. So, how many biscuits did Ramu buy? 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Understood? Now, there are 12 desks in a classroom. Each desk has 4 legs. What is the total number of legs of desk? Children, desk means on which you are sitting in your school. Okay, those are called desks. Benches and desks. Okay. So, there are 12 desks in a classroom and each desk has 4 legs. So, what we will write? We'll write here 12 times 4 is equal to 48. Okay. Now next. Sabiha bought home 3 bunches of flowers. She bought 3 bunches of flower and she took it to home. Each bunch has 4 flowers. How many flowers were there? So that means 3 multiplied by 4 because every bunch is having how many flowers? 4 flowers. So 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. Now one rail coach has 8 wheels. How many wheels in all in 6 coaches? So 8 wheels in one coach. 8. So for 6 coaches, 8 multiplied by 6 is equal to 48. I hope you understood this much. Next, we will cover in part 2. Thank you.